A few years ago, it would have been hard to imagine that something like a trade deal could create so much interest among all sorts of groups in Wales and across Europe and beyond. But what we've seen this week when we were in the Parliament voting on the EU trade deal with Canada was not only hundreds of people outside here protesting, but I've been contacted by thousands of constituents in Wales from all different backgrounds, from church groups, trade unions, health groups, all sorts of people who do, of course, want to trade with Canada, as we all do. But they want a deal that's fair, that'll benefit consumers, that'll benefit small businesses, and that won't threaten public services or the standards like the food safety standards that we've worked so hard to protect. This is going to be a very uncertain few years for us, but one thing is certain, that we want to trade and we want fair trade. And I'd ask all of you who've been in touch with me already to keep in touch, to keep watching what is happening at the European level and of course at the Welsh level, because what we have to do is get agreements that are in the best interests of Wales for the future.